How much does Payhip cost? Is it really free? This is Matt, and in this video I'll go through the different payment plans for Payhip, the different options that they have right here. But first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Find that link just below the video. Once you click that, you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page. And by clicking that link and signing up with me, you'll get some kind of bonus depending on what Payhip are offering at the time. It really does differ, but you'll find yourself on this page or maybe the main page, depending on how they move things around. But let's go through the pricing. So is it free? Is it free forever? Well, they do have this plan that they literally call free forever. As you can see right here, it's $0 per month. That is free, of course. But the only catch is that you do pay a 5% transaction fee on all of the purchases that will happen through your Payhip account. So essentially, for the free plan, Payhip are taking 5% of the transactions, however big or small they are. So whatever you're selling, whether it's physical products, whether it's online digital products, they will take that 5% cut. Now, with the next plan up, the $29 plan, the plus plan they call it, they will only take 2%, and they will take 0%, no transaction fee whatsoever, if you pay them $99 per month for the Pro plan. So all three of those plans are all very good. I use Payhip for a few of my online businesses. So does my wife, actually, for her stuff. You get all features, you get unlimited products and unlimited revenue in all of these. The only differentiator is the fact that the transaction fee scales down as you pay them more per month. And a quick note here as well, if you hover over there, PayPal and Stripe fees are different and are reflected in a different way. PayPal and Stripe will charge their own regular transaction fee on top of that. So this that you're seeing here, the transaction fee here, the 5% in this case, is through Payhip. So you've got some frequently asked questions here. If that's not completely clear, you can get some more information there. You can email them for contact as well. They're very responsive. So yeah, I advise you to click my link, check out the platform, see if it's the right platform for you, whether Payhip's the right tool for you. You won't know until you try. Give it a test drive. You can get this free forever plan, or if you want, you can get one of their paid plans as well, but you don't have to. That's completely cool. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative on Payhip pricing. I've been Matt. Hopefully you found this useful. Drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.